Hi, I'm Supervisor Holly Mitchell, proudly representing LA County's 2nd District, and I want to invite you to join me in celebrating National Hispanic Heritage Month. This celebration of Hispanic and Latino heritage, which began in the late 1960s as Hispanic Heritage Week, has become an integral part of the nation and LA County's cultural and historical fabric. This year, the 2nd District is proud to honor Hispanic leaders and organizations that are dedicated to serving our communities. First, I'd like to acknowledge our public service honoree, Mario Chavez, Director of Government Affairs and Community Outreach for St. John's Well Child and Family Center. St. John's Well Child and Family Center has been a tremendous partner to the county as we ensure that our residents have access to COVID-19 testing and vaccinations. Thanks to Mario's stellar leadership, over 40,000 South LA residents have been vaccinated at a mobile clinic alone. Our Community Engagement Award goes to Stephanie Santin. Stephanie serves as the Director of Recreation and Human Services in the city of Gardena. Stephanie led Spanish language constituent outreach and hosted over 60 events providing food, safety supplies, and necessities to help families in Gardena during the pandemic. We see you, Stephanie. Our small business honoree is the one and only Carlito's Tires and Auto Repair in Florence-Firestone. The Quinones family have supported their community in neighboring areas for decades. I even met his amazing mom. This family business does go above and beyond, providing more than just auto service, but also offering food, back-to-school giveaways, and much more to their community. Thank you. Marco Sarmiento is our Trailblazer honoree. Marco is a dedicated soccer coach at Rosecrans Recreation Center Park. For the last 5 years, he has coached youth ages 7 to 12 to be successful on and off the field. His commitment and selfless sacrifice for his students is inspiring. He recently worked with a local church to distribute free backpacks to students. Our Young Leader honoree is Xochil Ramirez. Xochil is a youth program organizer with Roots for Peace and a soon-to-be graduate of UC Riverside. Go Highlander! As a longtime resident of South Central LA, they have a deep love for the community and have been involved in organizing to help bring fresh produce and justice to South LA. Thank you for joining me in honoring a few of our outstanding Hispanic leaders who make an impact in our district and county every day, and the immense contributions of the Hispanic community. Thank you.